What's up? I'm going to give you the top 3 mindset shifts you need to basically make it a part of your life if you're looking for success, because it all starts right there. First one is you need to stop complaining, whatever it is you're complaining about, because life happens, right? Things come into play. Now, ask yourself, what can you learn from this? Or maybe it's something around what can it teach me, right? Number 2, you need to stop spending so much money on whatever it is you think you need. You need to invest in yourself. Start maybe buying a book that you can read that's going to help your mindset, get you in the right frame of mind. Now, if you think this is a lot of BS, well, that's why you're not successful in what you're doing. And if you think you are successful, if you would adopt these, you would be way more successful. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. Stop saying the words, I can't. Because you really don't need that negativity rolling around your head. Instead, say, I can, I will, those kinds of things. Don't say you can't, because you can do anything. Okay, guys, that's about what I got for you. Talk to you later. Bye.